behind here is our heat exchanger, which is now able to heat fresh water here in Menengai using hot geothermal fluids from Menengai well 12. And the heated water is now what we use for the 5 projects which we have here on the Menengai well 3 direct use demonstration site. We have the geothermal grain dryer, we have the laundry unit, we have a milk pasteurizer, we have fish ponds, and we have heated greenhouses. And what we are doing is we are heating the atmosphere of the greenhouse to bring down humidity levels and raise the temperature so that we minimize on fungal infections in the greenhouse. And for the fish ponds, we are rearing tilapia and catfish. And the 2 species of fish would want to stay in 29 degrees centigrade. And when you do that, that is the optimal temperature for that particular species of fish. And instead of using 9 months to grow the fish, when we hit the ponds, we are able to harvest our fish after only 6 months. So we have a 3-month saving. And for the milk pasteurizer, the part that geothermal is playing is the part which is very expensive for the industries, which is the heating part. And people in the industry will use electricity or wood. Sometimes they use boilers. But here on this project, we're able to heat our milk using the hot water that we heated using this particular heat exchanger. And for the grain dryer, we also supply the same heat, and we have a suction pump which sucks the hot air into the grain dryer. And by so doing, we are able to bring down the moisture content of the grain, whichever it is. And if I use an example of maize, what we do is we maintain the hot air at 55 degrees, which is the heating atmosphere for the maize. If you go beyond 60 degrees and above, you might end up killing the life of the grain.